Mary Bev, this is just a quick tutorial on how Joshua can access the audio version of his Read Aloud. So when he logs on to his Google account, he's going to notice over here in the corner 9 little dots. We call it the waffle because it looks like a waffle. So Josh is going to click the waffle, and somewhere on one of these options, it varies where it's at depending on the user. He's going to look for the classroom option. So once he has that, he's going to click classroom. And then he may have an array of classes. He may have other teachers' classrooms. But he's going to find mine, and it says 2020-21 Dunkin' Donuts. He's going to click on that. Once he is on my Google Classroom, up top, he's going to hit Classwork. Once he hits Classwork, it should bring him to a bunch of different topics. Now, he is going to scroll all the way down until he finds ELA. Once he is on ELA, I believe it's the second one down, but it might change because I might throw more stuff in here over the time period. He'll see Out of the Dust, Read Aloud. He'll click that. It will take him to, or show him a YouTube link. He'll click the YouTube link. And he can play this right from his Chromebook. Now, the only downfall on this is that, one second here, is that it doesn't break it up into chapters. I looked and looked and looked, and I can't find one that's broken up into chapters. So you'll kind of have to listen around for it. But this is where he is at. And then once he's done with a certain section, he can pause it, write down the time. So next time he logs on, he'll know what time to fast forward to pick it up from where he left off. All right. Please, please, please let me know if you have any additional questions.